Tuned for a severe winter weather alert. Once again, please stay tuned for a winter severe weather alert for Southeast Michigan. We'll be right back after this. Please stay tuned for more updates coming up after this. We'll be right back. And welcome back. I'm meteorologist Eric Tolman with the potential for snow for southeast lower Michigan. These are actually computer models for February the 3rd, and I'll also have February the 4th as well. It's going to be quite active on February the 4th, and we'll give you more info on what's going on coming up right after this. And we'll have more details on the timing and when this is supposed to impact Michigan and how much snow we're going to get. We'll be right back with more updates to follow. Stay tuned. And these are computer models for February the 3rd, 2018. Stay tuned for the following dates. February the 4th. We'll have that up in just a moment. We'll be right back. Good evening, everybody, and this is meteorologist Eric Tolman with you. And this is model data for February the 4th, and this is all the activity that we'll be seeing in southeast Michigan. And you can see that we do have a burst of potential for snow activity, and it is going to impact southeast Michigan, so be prepared and be ready for accumulating snow and possible heavy snow as well. Once again, we are expected to have the potential for snow to impact all of southeast Michigan, and heavy snow is also possible. Stay tuned, we've got more updates after this, and we'll let you know how much snow is going to be accumulating across all of southeast Michigan. We'll have the totals and much more coming up after this. We'll be right back in a few minutes. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Eric Tolman. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Just want to give you an update that we have weekend snow forecasts coming into the picture for all of southeast Michigan. So accumulating snow Saturday night into Sunday. It's going to be quite interesting once we get into Sunday for sure. So this is the forecast highlights that I need to share with you. Light snowfall expands across the region Saturday night and Sunday morning. Light accumulating snow will persist through Sunday. Brief intervals of heavier snowfall possible Sunday. Accumulation between 2 and 6 inches of snow. Highest totals towards the north which would be between 3 to 7 inches of snow. That would be the highest amount. So if you're north of Detroit area, you'll be getting more snow. So be prepared for that. And this is for all of southeast Michigan, Saturday night and Sunday. Impacts: accumulating snow on roads, visible driving conditions on Sunday. Very interesting weather that will impact all of southeast Michigan. Stay tuned, we'll have the very latest updates on the forecast. There will be the possibility of a winter weather advisory for all of southeast Michigan. Once again, there is the possibility of a winter weather advisory for southeast Michigan. We'll have more details opposed to that alert coming up at 11. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for later developments as we go into Saturday into Sunday. So stay tuned with us, and we'll have more. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you at 11 o'clock.